All right, everybody, welcome. 8th October here. Let's take a look on the daily time frame. The daily candles are still consolidating. We haven't really had much of a move on the daily. See, we're just printing side by side, same idea as we had yesterday, like we got support, resistance, just whatever. I'm not gonna make these zones thicker on the daily because we'll have to manage them on the small time frames. So it makes no sense. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, um, we do understand that this is a support to the left hand side. We had a rejection yesterday, and we just had a rejection around the Asian session. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, now we can adjust the zone. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to bring the zone up a little bit, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller as well. I'm going to make it kind of like easy to read on the 1 hour time frame only. So you can see right over here, 1 hour time frame created a support. At the same time, there is a resistance being created on the 1 hour time frame right over here. And this bigger zone which we had on the 4 hour, this we can adjust based on the 1 hour resistance, which we have around, 2683, right up over there. Now, let's drop down to the 30 minute. Actually, yeah, let's drop down to the 30 minute. And I want to see that if we do break below, 2635, how far we can continue to push down. So we can see there's a resistance. Well, there's a support area here. Let's take a look at this on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at this on the 30-minute time frame, seems like this is a support zone. So maybe it's going to be a good idea to kind of like plot this out here visually so we know that that is the area where price can move into. So now we have these zones created on the 30-minute time frame. If you do break below 2635, you got 83 pip range. Currently, we are in a big range. Currently, we're in a 120 pip range here, to be honest. 120 pip range. At the same time, we have this resistance over here. If we break above 2648, there's a probability we can continue to push up in this 100 pip range here as well. So I think it's going to be good to see. I kind of want to say that I want to take a trade within this range because it's a big range anyway. Let's take a look on the 15 minute. 15 minutes coming down. Yeah, I think it should be good. If the 30-minute candle can close and the next one breaks below this low over here, I think there's plenty of range for price to move down around like 62 pips. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens on gold. But anyway, be safe today. We got CPI on Thursday. Ideally, if you don't break below this low, I'm not going to be executing on it. But if you do break above 2648, let's take a look at this wick on the 15 minute. Okay, it's whatever. It's just noise. On the 15 minute, you got these wicks, this over here, this over here, this over. It's just noise. I'm just gonna go based off of the 30-minute. If we can close above 2649 on the 30-minute, then we can continue to push up. So, yeah, let's see what happens.